How do you like your githeri? So welcome back to my YouTube channel and see me make very delicious githeri today. So start off with 2 corns and then I'll walk you through the process. I'm just gonna get these out of the way. So I'm gonna use butter beans for my githeri today. Yep. I'm gonna put some hot water and leave it to boil for about 30 minutes. So for this cooking bit, my ingredients are pretty basic. So I'm just gonna use white onions and some tomatoes and then sizzle with some spices to taste. So I'm just gonna go in with my vegetable oil and let it heat for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then I put my white onions.
Know what I want? Can you keep my focus? No time for the game. Can you keep me open? Give me all that I want. All my options open. I got no time for lanes. I need you to know I'm a bad bitch, savage, fucking with no average. I know what I got, take you out like Ambien. Ooh, if you can keep up with me, I'll change your life one day at a time. I'm top, make that shit not stay. Won't stop, no you want it badly. On top, baby, throw it back at me. I know you like when I'm on top, won't stop.
So I'm gonna use only 3 spices, and that's tomato paste, 2 beef cubes, and black pepper, just to season my githeri.
You like when you never had it like this before. I can get real physical, penetrate my mind and soul. Ooh, I love it when you bring out my inner animal. Can you handle any more? Better catch me when I fall, 'cause I'm a bad bitch, savage, fucking with no app.
So I didn't want to use a lot of maize, so I just used 1 corn for the meal and then the other one just for, mutungo. So I'm just gonna remove these 2 and then cook with the rest. And who doesn't like boiled corn anyway? It's the sweetest.
I'll take you high on top. No, you can't control me. Don't stop looking at me. I know you like when I
MC, in a place to be.
I know that you've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. In my imagination, I'll be all up on you. I know you got that fever for me, 102. And boy, I know I feel the same, my temperature's through the roof. If it's a camera up in here, then it's only you put me when I do. If it's a camera up in here, then I best like I just click on YouTube. Close up your on your mouth and brag about this.
Well, so that's pretty much it. The process was quite simple. It looks good, it smells amazing. I know it's gonna taste great. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, kindly subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.
Between you and